for some reason I was cut off and I had many gigabytes on it, but we're not going to concern ourselves with that. As I was saying, this is glitter nail polish on this bow, this denim bow. All you have to do is search on YouTube under denim bows, and you can make your own denim bows. Here's a hem, here's a silver clasp, and all you have to do is take your clasp and attach it. Let's see, attach it to this jump ring for closure. You could use it as a headband, you can use it as a necklace, just to give you an idea. I think that's really pretty. So I just wanted to let you know, these stalkers think that they have control over our videos, and I make these videos so that I can communicate with you. They don't. We ignore them. Okay, so this is also cool. This is a denim flower, and all you do is, I wanted to make it as pretty on the back as it is on the front, so again, if it's turning over, you still have something pretty. I wanted to let you know, the reason these crazy people are stalking and harassing these videos is because they claim they're working with YouTube. They're not working with YouTube. They're crazy people. That's what they're saying. So instead of me just recording them, I'll tell you what they're saying, so that if you by some chance are connected to YouTube and they're working with you, you'll be able to hear how they behave. They knock, they drill, they talk over me. I don't think they're working with YouTube or Google or anything like that. I think they're just a bunch of criminals who claim all sorts of things. So this is the reverse side of it. And what I did was I sewed these petals together and then put this so that if it flips over, it's still pretty. And this is the front. So you have all of the petals sewn together and you create this rosette. It got a little smushed, so I can always steam it out, but I kind of like it like this because it looks more like a flower than if it just looked flat, it wouldn't look as much like a flower. So that's a really pretty one. So let me put that there. Okay, what else do we have in this box? Okay, let's open this one. So yeah, in their delusions, they said that they're fact-checking my videos because they want to make sure I'm telling the truth. Again, they're crazy people who decided to latch on to me when I started doing something that they, I guess, wanted to do. So again, I'm telling you folks this. So this is a necklace. I don't know if I'm getting this on camera. You can use this as a little collar. And this is made from an index card that's put in between these pieces of fabric with some of these crystals and a button in the center. And then a stainless steel necklace. So I'm going to see if I can actually put this on for you folks to see if it works. I'm going to see if I can get this on. If I get it on, then good. If not, then you'll get the point. Let me see. I'm going to take a mirror to see how this looks on. If it looks like it, if it works or not. Let's see. Am I getting this for you folks? So here we are. And I think that's pretty. I just kind of threw it on, but I think that's really pretty. Okay. So again, you can customize it based on the size you like, and you have yourself a little necklace that works as a collar. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is a tassel made out of denim, and you can look this up on YouTube, and you just look it up under denim tassel, and you just take a piece of fabric, you rip it, and then you roll it up. I decided to use wire to keep it together, put this sterling silver bail on it, and then use this necklace as the necklace. Okay, anything else in this box? Okay, so this, I told you guys in a previous video that I got these necklaces on eBay, and when they came, they were damaged. I don't know if you see the petals are a little discolored, but they had really pretty pearl drops along the necklace and a gold chain. So I decided to make a really rough looking necklace out of this so that it would have that look. So instead of just throwing it out or, you know, sending it back, I wanted it to have that sort of roughed up look. So I combined it with the denim, and I wanted to make it into a wrap bracelet. And that's why I left it frayed, so that it has that kind of look of, you know, the fraying, the discolored. And so it can easily be worn either as a necklace or as a bracelet with this layering. And so now another piece here is another rosette. This one is out of corduroy. And again, all you're doing is sewing it in layers. You take one layer, sew to another layer. Here they're banging. We'll ignore them. Another layer, another layer. And so it's a simple rosette. And you can take another strip of fabric and you can attach it. And this makes a necklace. It makes a headband. It could make a belt. So you have so many options with these cute rosettes. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, here's a smaller rosette. And this is a rolled rosette. All you're doing is rolling the fabric and putting it together. This is a crocheted piece. I had this dragonfly pendant, and I didn't know what to do with it. So what I did was I crocheted this to create a necklace. So I picked up the colors, and I used this embroidery ribbon yarn to create this. And I thought it would be so pretty in the summer to have this. Let's see if I can catch. You see that? That's such a, you know, it's a pop of color, and you can just put it on with anything. And then you have this, the combination of the crochet with this dragonfly. So that is another piece. Let's see if there's something else, folks. Oh, out of the t-shirt fabric, there's a little rosette that I made. I'm going to sort of pinch it so that you guys can really see it. I showed you this in a previous video, how I made yarn out of a t-shirt after looking at a YouTube video. And then this is a little rosette. And again, I'm letting you folks know that the crazy people who are doing this, they are claiming that they're fact-checking me, which sounds nuts to me. And I hope it sounds nuts to you. It sounds more like they're harassing us and trying to stop me from working, pretty much. So this is a glass gem that instead of painting, I put a piece of paper behind it and painted the back so that it really has this pretty blue. You notice that I'm doing a lot of things with the blue today, and attached this blue ribbon to it. So let's see if I have that. You see how that comes up nicely? That little, it's just a glass gem. I mean, you get these glass gems from the dollar store for pennies, and you can kind of create something really pretty out of it. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, I have some more in here. Let's see, I have this little box. some more of these hand-painted glass gems. So I put some nail polish on them. I watched a YouTube video, and the woman said, oh, all you have to do is put some nail polish on it. And it works. It looks really pretty. So you can either paint both the front and the back, or you can just paint the back. You can add paper, or let's see if I can get this without it slipping. You can add paper or something from a catalog to the back. And you see how you can make it, if it already has a little bit of color, you can make it even more colorful with just some nail polish. See that? This is again some nail polish. So once I finish showing you folks this, I'm going to take some more time and talk about these people so that you know what we're dealing with. Because like I said, I'm not the only person these people are stalking and harassing. They're stalking and harassing other people. And I just wanted you guys to know what we're up against so that you can kind of know that these horrible people exist and they are not to be hidden. You have to expose them. Okay, so these are more with some paper in the back. You can get them from magazines and just attach it and then glue it. So you hear them banging. They're trying, you know, all day they've been trying to get my attention because they have this strange idea that they're going to re-record stuff they already recorded where they were bashing other people. Like I said, they're not just attacking me, they're attacking other people. So anyone who's connected to me should call the police and the FBI so that they can make sure these crazy